In the wild, survival is rarely a matter of brute force or sheer size alone. Instead, it's a delicate balance, a quiet art where subtlety, instinct, and the ability to adapt are often the most powerful tools. Every creature, from the smallest insect to the largest mammal, is engaged in a daily struggle, not just to exist, but to thrive in a world full of challenges and surprises. The strongest or fastest don't always win. Even the most vulnerable creatures have evolved remarkable survival tools. Some rely on their ability to disappear into the background, while others use clever tactics to outwit predators or competitors. Vulnerability, in nature, often sparks innovation, leading to some of the most fascinating adaptations we see in the animal kingdom. Camouflage, speed, and community are just a few of the ingenious strategies animals use to thrive. Whether it's the subtle shift of color to blend with the earth, the sudden burst of energy to escape danger, or the safety found in numbers, each method is a testament to nature's creativity. Some animals leave barely a trace, moving silently and leaving only the faintest hint of their presence. Others build hidden homes or use the landscape itself as a shield, turning the environment into an ally. Survival is a dance between predator and prey, where every day lived is a victory. This ongoing contest shapes not only individual lives, but entire ecosystems, as each side evolves new tactics in response to the other. Some blend in, some rely on sudden bursts of energy, and others find safety in numbers. The diversity of survival strategies is as vast as the landscapes these animals inhabit. These behaviors reveal a world of intelligence and instinct, where a simple warning or shared glance can mean life or death. Communication, often silent and unseen, is a vital thread in the fabric of survival. Young animals learn by watching and imitating, absorbing lessons that will one day save their lives. This passing of knowledge is quiet, but essential, ensuring that each new generation is prepared for the challenges ahead. Survival is a skill, passed down through generations, not by words, but by instinct. The wisdom of the wild is ancient, written in the movements and habits of every creature. By studying these strategies, we uncover the quiet genius of nature's design. Each observation reveals another layer of complexity, another reason to marvel at the resilience of life. Patterns, cooperation, and awareness are the pillars that support life's resilience. In the end, it's not just about surviving, it's about mastering the quiet art that allows life to flourish, even in the face of adversity. Every animal's survival is guided by an unseen blueprint, evolution's master plan, woven into DNA. This blueprint shapes not just bodies but behaviors, how to find food, seek shelter, and outwit predators. Patterns like stripes and spots aren't decoration, they're tools of deception. For some, safety lies in numbers, for others, in instinctual responses honed over generations. Instinct is ancient memory, allowing split-second decisions when danger strikes. Each animal is a living testament to a successful design, perfectly suited to its world. The patterns and instincts we see are not accidents, but the result of relentless refinement. Nature's blueprint is a grand strategy for survival, tested over millennia. It's a design for life, beautiful in its effectiveness. On Africa's vast, sun-drenched plains, the zebra's iconic black and white stripes are far more than just a striking pattern. They're a survival masterpiece, honed by evolution over millions of years. These bold stripes are instantly recognizable, but their true purpose is a marvel of nature's ingenuity. When a zebra stands alone, its stripes make it highly visible against the golden grasses. But when zebras gather in a herd, something extraordinary happens. Their stripes blend together, creating a mesmerizing, confusing blur. This visual illusion, known as motion dazzle, makes it incredibly difficult for predators like lions and hyenas to focus on a single target, especially when the herd is on the move. As the herd gallops across the savanna, the shifting stripes create a moving puzzle that can disorient even the keenest hunter, but the stripes serve another purpose too. They help deter biting insects, such as tsetse flies and horseflies, which are less likely to land on striped surfaces. This not only spares zebras from painful bites but also protects them from diseases carried by these pests. With one remarkable trait, zebras solve multiple problems, confusing their predators and repelling dangerous pests. The stripes are a shield, both visual and physical, that helps them survive in a challenging environment. But stripes alone aren't enough. Zebras rely on unity and cooperation. When danger approaches, the herd quickly forms a protective circle, placing the most vulnerable, like foals, in the center. The dominant stallions stand guard at the edges, ever alert, ready to defend their family with powerful kicks and fierce determination. Their survival is a blend of visual trickery and strong social bonds. Zebras communicate through subtle movements and vocalizations, reinforcing their unity. Their strength lies not just in their dazzling appearance, but in their ability to work together, protect one another, and maintain close-knit relationships within the herd. Together, zebras are far more formidable than they seem. Their stripes, their unity, and their social intelligence make them one of Africa's most resilient and fascinating survivors. The zebra's life is a lesson in the power of unity. Alone, they're targets. Together, they're a fortress. Their survival depends on mutual trust and shared vigilance. In the herd, many eyes and ears multiply awareness. No threat goes unnoticed. They take turns watching, allowing others to rest and respond instantly to danger. This cooperation is instinctual, not planned, a natural response to shared risk. Nature often favors cooperation over competition. The zebra's dazzling stripes may confuse predators, but their true defense is unity. In nature, standing together is often the greatest strength. On the vast, sun-drenched plains of Africa, the gazelle survives by relying on a remarkable combination of speed, awareness, and perfect timing. Life here is a daily test, where every moment could mean the difference between life and death. Built for explosive acceleration, the gazelle's life is a constant dance with danger. Its slender legs and lightweight frame allow it to reach incredible speeds in seconds, making it one of the fastest animals on the savanna. But speed alone isn't enough. The gazelle's primary defense is vigilance, always alert, always scanning for threats. Its large, sensitive eyes and ears are finely tuned to detect the faintest hint of movement or sound. The gazelle doesn't flee from every shadow, it assesses risk with intelligence. Each pause is a careful calculation, weighing the cost of running against the threat it perceives. It watches predators from afar, conserving precious energy until escape is truly necessary. This patience is a survival strategy, honed by generations of living alongside danger. When it finally runs, the gazelle doesn't just sprint, it leaps high into the air, a behavior known as stotting. This dramatic display signals its fitness and agility to any watching predator. This honest display often deters a chase before it even begins, as predators are less likely to pursue an animal that demonstrates such strength and alertness. The gazelle's survival is a blend of speed, awareness, and smart communication. Within the herd, subtle signals and coordinated movements help them outmaneuver predators and stay one step ahead. It's a master of knowing when to act and when to wait, reading the landscape and the intentions of its enemies with remarkable intuition. Every move is calculated, every escape a testament to its finely tuned instincts and lightning-fast reflexes. The gazelle's agility allows it to twist and turn, often evading even the most determined pursuers. The gazelle's dance is a masterpiece of prudence and agility, a breathtaking performance that plays out each day on the wild African plains, where only the most adaptable survive. The gazelle teaches us the value of prudence and perfect timing. It balances caution with calm, responding to real threats, not imagined ones. True awareness is about seeing what is, not fearing what might be. The gazelle conserves energy, acting only when necessary. Its stotting is honest communication, showing strength to avoid conflict. Sometimes, the best defense is a clear display of readiness. Survival isn't always about fighting or hiding, it's about knowing when to move. The gazelle's life is a lesson in self-knowledge and strategic action. Its presence on the plains is proof that timing and clarity are powerful tools. Beneath the waves, the octopus is a master of survival through intelligence and disguise. Lacking armor or speed, it relies on its mind, camouflage, and flexibility. Its skin can instantly change color, pattern, and texture to match any background. The octopus can mimic dangerous creatures, deterring predators with clever impersonation. Its boneless body slips through tiny crevices, vanishing from sight. If threatened, it releases ink, a smokescreen for escape. The octopus is a shapeshifter, puzzle solver, and escape artist. In a world of hard shells and sharp teeth, its genius is its greatest defense. In southern Africa, meerkats thrive through teamwork and shared responsibility. Living in mobs, they rely on a sentinel system. One stands guard while others forage. Sentinels rotate, sharing the burden of watchfulness. Alarm calls warn of specific dangers, prompting instant coordinated responses. The whole group helps raise the young, teaching and protecting them. This selfless cooperation ensures high survival rates and strong bonds. In harsh environments, looking out for one another is their greatest strength. The meerkat's society is a model of collective vigilance and care. Across plains, oceans, and deserts, a single theme emerges: nature's design for endurance. Survival isn't luck, it's the result of strategies perfected over generations. The zebra's unity, the gazelle's timing, the octopus's intelligence, and the meerkat's cooperation all reflect this principle. Some thrive in groups, others alone, but all are guided by instinctual wisdom. This inherited knowledge is the essence of survival. Life's dance is measured, graceful, and resilient. By observing these animals, we glimpse the quiet order of nature. Every creature is a masterpiece, perfectly equipped to endure. This is survival by design,